This is a tutorial video on how to configure your Sercomm 8221 to the ROS 3001 system. For this demonstration, I have a Sercomm 8221 camera and a ROS 3001 right here. The first thing we're going to want to do is establish power to the camera. So we'll take our power cord and we'll insert it into the back of the camera where it's indicated for power. You see there's a circular hole right there. Take your power cord, put it right in. Once we do that, after a few seconds, we're going to notice that a solid green light has come on next to power and that there's no light next to network. After approximately 1 to 2 minutes, the green solid power light is going to start flashing. Once it does that, it means it's ready for us to establish connection to the ROS 3001. And I'll show you how to do that with one simple step. So we'll just patiently wait for a few minutes for this to power up and start to configure it. Okay, right now you'll notice that the solid green light next to power is actually flashing green. That means that it's ready to establish connection. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and press the WPS button, which is just a little bit above the flashing green power button. So I'm going to go ahead and press that one time. Once I do, you'll notice that there's a blinking orange light that's under network. So right now we have a solid green light for power and we have a flashing green light for network. Once you notice that happening, you can put the camera down and we're going to now hit the WPS button, which is a wireless protocol for configuration on the back of the ROS 3001. I'm going to turn the ROS around and show you which button I'm going to press. It's this gray button right here. That's the WPS button. I'm going to put the system back down. And I'm just going to go ahead and press that. Once I press it, you'll notice that the green light in front of the ROS actually turned into an amber orange color. That means it's in WPS mode. Now the camera is wirelessly talking and configuring in the background to the ROS and the camera. So there's nothing else you have to do. When you notice that the light turns green on the ROS box and it's solid green light on the back of the network and power light on the camera, you know it's configured. There's no other step you have to do as a user. It's literally pressing just one button.